to my YouTube channel. That's me I talk about. That's a DJ slang on my TV. Anyways, welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. This is DJ, this is Charm. Want to subscribe to DJ and Charm if you don't do it yet. Don't wait. If you don't subscribe to DJ and Charm yet guys, go ahead and drop a subscription. Turn on the little bell there so you can get the notification when video go up. Anyway guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, where you wait and subscribe. Welcome back to King Squad. Welcome back to the A1 from day one. You know me, I'm gonna start give out peer counselor and all them nice good position there and prefect coming on there. Notification can bring up yourself. Remember to also follow me on Instagram at Kimi_official. That's KIIMII_official. And follow DJ on Instagram name. Wow.
Follow DJ and Charm.
Wait, no,
it is _King_DJ. You know.
So guys,
yeah.
for me it is Rina_legendary, and for DJ it is
_King_DJ1. And don't follow Kim.
Yeah, why?
what
You know, you must say that. Yes. So anyway guys, of course part 1 can just drop by itself. So I am doing, leave me now sir. Let me finish me something.
If the battery is too much, man, tell if you ease off fight. Ease off fight. You know ease off in. Go off a bit back. Ease off fight.
So guys, I am doing part 2 reacting to my old pictures, and of course me I got tag DJ and tag Charming because me alone can't tap it nice.
Jesus
Me alone
Christ.
can't do this. So brace yourself guys, let's get to the video.
No bother with you, do it already.
Come Charm. Give them piece of touch. Ah! Shut up. Welcome back guys.
Hey. Listen, oh you got fling some other sense going on. Like I busy, I must miss with you.
Can I go on the video?
That's like I like my money.
Yeah. Anyway guys, let's see how Charm nice up me here. Anyway. Yeah. Anyway, she did that. Yeah. Shabad. So, anyway guys, we just go running panda video. Yeah. So, the first picture that I have, I'm going to start off with that picture. Yeah. 17th of August, this was last year. So the picture, I'll go there on the screen so they can see what we're looking at. So this is the picture.
Can I say this with you? 2019.
August. Are we asking after Dr. Steve? So?
This is good.
How long?
Oh God.
So yeah, this is gonna be a roast. So we can say anything we want about the picture.
Picture?
Yeah. What you think?
Wait.
What you think?
You know, Portia didn't look what I should have used.
Give me the picture. That's what Portia didn't look. Portia didn't look like that.
Portia
You
just want to bleach on your rich friend. Hey.
Okay, let me tell you what happened, guys. So, I did the upper Sean.
Kim.
Left me alone.
Wait, nobody.
First of all, I cut me hair. This year, and last year I cut me hair, right? Last year, March, I cut me hair. So that was, this picture is last year, August. So my hair is still thumper tail and short and thing. And then,
But you ain't fat that time, though. You ain't all that fat.
so you're trying to tell people, they say 1 year, I take a
1 year.
That's fat.
yeah, that's fat, but
Boy.
boy, when it's stressed out,
Every week, you know.
I did go work the day before and it was a tough day. And I did meet my friend and my pet.
Kim,
So I just get up and go along same way.
Kim, you look like you just take worm out. That's the thing again. How they call it? Lord God.
Let us move on
Jam.
to the
What
next
do you call it? What do you call it? Robot?
picture. Zentel.
Zentel. Like we keep like you just take 2 back of Zentel before you
I don't look like me just take Zentel. But yeah, guys, that picture there, it never too sweet. Wasn't my finest moment.
It never too sweet. Not even one sweet.
Left me alone.
Nice.
Alright. This picture. Why you laugh already? Yeah, guys.
It's my water.
That picture here. First of all, I just cut off my ear and I did a try bleach it. With Kool-Aid, you know. You see what to say, after I wash out my head, while the Kool-Aid wash out. I'm going out to follow me eye ready for 1 week. What you do?
I try to show you people what you look like. You see your fan? You see little partners of a scroll like a little nozzle.
Are some people like?
No, I see your nose looking like it nice.
Guys, it don't look that bad, yo. It don't look that bad. Me just you know, me just cut off. You know, you can't cut off your hair. I had permed hair, guys. You can't cut off your hair and you don't come out with a bang. You have to bleach it. You have to color. You have to do her. But it never really work, as me I say. After I Kool-Aid nice, you know, after yesterday the Kool-Aid I run down in my stomach. After I wash out in my hair ready for one.
So your hair did black again?
Yeah, when I wash out back.
And it
You
did
say,
actually look
Kim.
Yeah, they look nice.
Timon, you look like one of the 1908 East bus there, SpongeBob bus there.
Oh God,
Really?
DJ. Oh God.
DJ, it's a roasting up, but you're not happy about yourself. We are definitely gonna move on to the next picture, right? So, why you laugh?
Basha, you know that Timon has some wonderful picture though. I mean, I
The
understand.
next picture.
Jesus Christ.
I like that picture here. I like that picture there. It don't look bad.
Let me see.
You look up to your phone and don't your fire face.
Rotten. You look like when she wanna just a bus. Queer. You like when she wanna just bus. You don't like when you shimmy do.
Well, actually, the picture could have the picture. She should look her hair nice and she look nice, but you see, it feels.
Get it on. Watch out. Get you on. I get you face. Move. Ease off now. Ease off from my back.
She did look nice over her hair, did neatly comb and her outfit did nice.
Jesus Christ.
But
Yo.
I just
Give me my phone.
Balisha look like one of them sitting there out of a cartoon. You know, Pink Panther and Pals. They look blue sitting over white ants. Or
You
something
don't know
look.
my name, Pink Panther.
What do you call it? Where do you get son?
Alright, next picture. We have one blue denim blouse. This is a blouse. I'm a nice shoes where Shana did strip prank me and tear out one of my shoes. And you don't buy back my shoes yet. You don't buy back my shoes yet, Shana, and I wait you. Look.
My shoes never back to me.
DJ, I'm
Oh, this is nice. This is
It's
very
nice. It is nice.
I went when this came last year too, though.
Yeah.
Before you,
No man, I think that was like 2 years ago.
This is
That
nice.
was 2 years ago.
This nice.
Yeah.
This nice, but
It's nice
DJ,
too.
no bad bodies. It's nice. It's
It's
nice.
nice. I'm a nice thick thighs.
You watch Toy Story and see what they call this in the buzz. The buzz.
Nobody knows what you're talking about.
Alright then, everybody know this. I don't watch the country show them and like people in my drive them car or your truck or something, it's the biggest in the van.
Give me this. You have to watch every picture. It's a picture. A picture look nice.
Kimberly does little so. I see it there.
She look good. You get him?
Hey, it come like.
Kim squad that picture you look nice, right? Thank you. Thank you. The denim nice.
Kim only come like say your body did under pressure with it. That load in a friend. No sir.
Nobody ever under pressure. But anyway, the picture look nice. DJ just bad mind and disgusted. So, next picture. This is when Chef left Jamaica. So when the carrier got airport.
What do you carry, Jamie?
Yeah. No man never must about that picture, yeah. I always catch up me hair one way. So I bring me hair to the back in a one bun, and I guess that's why my head look bald. But it have a bun at the back.
No look bad.
Mr.
But
Warner,
it's like him did I try to create dimples.
No! They asked me to smile, I didn't know what to do. So that's how I smile. Look, let me do it now, look.
yeah.
That's how I smile, yeah.
That's it, so
For true.
but it not look bad for sure.
No. Teacher, what do you think?
You see?
Something bad.
Wow.
I'm doing it now.
No, Kina didn't know. You bet with the high picture. That is no. Hey,
I
but
think that is one bad idea to call it in my video. I'm ready to tell of it too.
it bet you take picture and it was like I show me. That is a bit like, can you say, yeah, clean on the phone.
But yeah, guys, me think that picture they look really nice, and me think it look alright. But
Wait.
in any case, DJ is disgusting.
Very much.
And of course, may I bring up the next picture. I'm gonna make it something nice. May I bring up the next picture. I should I go through my gallery and find them, you know? I know me and find them.
No.
I was at work. I did at work and it was Halloween day. And everybody had take picture. I'm gonna put myself. I'm say, alright guys, more one picture. And I think this picture was taken a year, if not 2 years ago. Everybody had take them picture and then I say more one picture too. And then them say, alright Kim, stand up. And everybody start looking at me now, so I never know what to do, so I just go. And then take it.
I'm saying everybody has still like I say, yeah, yeah, do something for them.
Let me see.
And I see that.
Somebody just go. One back never did it.
Something wrong with that.
What y'all think?
You know, Kim, me
You can't just say yes or no.
yes, but more to add. More to add.
What?
You see this picture now, Kim? You see, alright. Now let me read it. You look like one rose in the picture.
I do?
Yeah. It's like one rose have like they look a pretty thing on top and one long look marker by. You see that it was upside down now. You see, Lord God, Jesus Christ. Hey, you come in like, no sir. Let me see it.
Me have one for challenge, see there.
Jesus Christ. Hey, you look like a penguin.
Alright, so next picture guys. I was going to work. Yeah. That was just not the last year that. No. Now this picture was taken a couple of months ago. Yeah. A couple months ago, I got work.
If you picture they can't look so now, you look so now to rotted.
That's about.
This looks slim.
What do you mean you look slim?
You look trim, Kim.
Give me my phone.
Kim, DJ, look funny. You know, look trim.
You know, you hear me say, hey, look.
Yeah, I mean, what God? He looks so different, and that just what the other.
You look like if I just went to about what I see.
May have space on the sides.
No, I don't pause me that zoom me up.
May have space on the sides. You can't help it. I'm a band myself.
Look here. Look here. Look there. You see his face. She fights for the other lose.
Give me my phone. They are seeing the picture on the screen.
They can't see it one time. You see it a lot too. Look for that in jar right there, so. Yeah. Like you have mums.
Oh, God. Kim, I don't know why you're going to
Why?
And this we gonna call him for.
It's so like better to cover upon this thing and that picture.
This other picture taken a couple months ago. I don't know what I did ago.
A most country, I couldn't have paid.
Guys, I remember how we ago.
A most country.
Oh, God, Kim. Oh, what that?
One frack.
We where from there now?
In my drawer.
When?
Or in my closet somewhere.
You know where back? Yeah.
I'm a nice good frock.
Well, I had clothes as a friend.
Oh, is that dressing about breeze that blow so it just blow between my legs and...
What's that about though? Country no?
I don't know me that go.
I know man. Country to that go.
I don't know me that go. But you know me actually like it.
If you what?
I don't like it.
You don't have the people though. That's the people, you know. People, yo. Kim, why did that like?
I just like it. Overall, I don't think it's a nice picture.
No.
Look here, today, Monday, Tuesday, today.
Monday. Tuesday.
Look here, I did before yesterday, that's Sunday. Can't tell the light today.
Anyway, guys, they're being totally unfair.
Oh, God.
How y'all gonna roast this DJ?
Who, me?
The picture
You
look
can't
nice.
tell what DJ I'm gonna say you know.
What happened to my nose?
Kim, you know, just go up and come to you.
Yeah, I got a DJ
The
one.
picture look nice, guys.
Picture look nice with you, but Kim, your nose, man.
What happened to my nose?
You are playing.
But keep
You are good at that son. I use the jigsaw cutter or something.
Man, not laughing at move.
Job laugh. No.
I was trying to hold it.
Job, I miss a laugh.
Because I had to try the program.
Yeah, stop.
Alright, so.
Picture perfect, you don't need lot.
Give it to
Come in my picture.
You ain't ready for cook no, Job.
Alright, guys, so.
You look like I'll be this one.
I went on a. So me and two of my friends from work we decide say we are go do like a road trip. So we got back-to-back days off. We got the same days off. And we say, you know what? We're gonna do a road trip. So instead of coming home, we packed a bag, went to work the day. I think we got Thursday, Friday off. So we went to work on Wednesday. After leaving work on Wednesday, we just go on the road. So we didn't get back home until Friday evening. Freshen up, work Saturday morning. So, what do you think?
I'm going to like him. You're going to keep it better though.
Maybe we're gonna do
You
picture.
look like-
That's it better.
You look like they in chaos or cement, yo. Like so they just
That's
want that.
it, that's
That's they just sit there one way and lift you.
it.
Could they?
Somebody turn up in front of me and take my picture.
Like it's meant to live down.
And I mean, come less. You come less. They look like you look like you buckle him.
Oh God, this
You could have did better. It's like so they just. Oh, they do it. I'll read now. You're already ready for it now.
Okay, guys, so it's official. I don't have a brother anymore because I am just this. What's the word I'm looking for?
Oriented. I couldn't.
Disoriented.
I couldn't that because of this.
No.
Ghost.
Disgusted by this person. So me I go dismiss him
Keyboard.
out of this video.
Keyboard.
Shut up. No. So guys, if you haven't liked the video yet, then charm thirsty now people in video.
I make you joke. Make you come and laugh.
Yeah. If you haven't liked the video yet, guys, go ahead and give it a like. I'm sure you did see one picture where you want to comment on whether you think it look nice or you think no.
I feel like the rose was turned upside down.
Yeah. But whatever the comment is, whatever you think, go ahead and comment it down below. Of course, drop a like on the video. Like, watching. Ciao. Yeah, guys, so drop a like on the video, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Go ahead and check out my other videos. I hope you love it over here. Thank you guys so much for coming. Remember, follow us on Instagram at Kimmy_official_King_DJ1 and Reina_Legendaria.
Oh, that's spelled.
REINA_LEGENDARIA. Big up yourself. I'll see you guys in the next video.